Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my Facetory March 2019 unboxing and bagging. Facetory is a sheet mask subscription. I get the 7 Luxe, plus I have extra ones this month because it was my first month and I signed up with a link from a friend of mine that gave me extra masks. So these are the extra masks and this is the regular one. If you're new to my channel, I do beauty and makeup unboxings and reviews of the items in the boxes. And I'm sorry for my bit of haggard appearance and out of breath. I was just feeding the horses and it's rainy and disgusting out there. But hopefully that's okay. But I'm just gonna get into it. I did purchase this myself. I'm not making money off it, so they're gonna be honest opinions. So this is my 7 free ones. I don't know if they're gonna give me a card to explain. Doesn't look like it. So there's a couple of duplicate ones. This is my first time, so here we go. So we've got 2 collagen masks from Facetory. A lot of it's in Korean, so I can't understand it. Does say here, formulated with elastic collagen, marine collagen, green caviar, fermented extract, various extracts, and hyaluronic acid to improve skin elasticity, excellent in adhesion, clarity, and less skin irritation without adding mineral oil, artificial color, silicone, paraben, or ethanol. So that's pretty cool. So again, those are the collagen mask by Facetory, F-A-S-C-Y. And then 2 of these Herstory Moist Skin Acquiring System Aqua Sheet Masks. See if it says anything in English. No, it does not. But these expire in May, so I'll have to use them pretty quick. Did these have expiries? Yeah, they also expire in May, so I have to use them this month or next month. This next one, it's a 2-step Anita No Filter Moisturizing Camera Mask. It's kind of interesting looking. Step 1 and step 2. It's not in English, so I guess it says part 1. Step 1 is like an eye thing, and then the mask kind of says there. Interesting, and again expires in May. The rain is making my head itchy. Tammy Sense Revitalizing All-in-One Mask Botanical Stem Cell 5 Peptide Anti-Aging Wrinkle Care Whitening. Restores sign of visible aging. Helps rejuvenate skin's natural strength and find its elegant and radiant glowing beauty. 2019 August. The only key to deep moisturizing luminous tone. This one's a gel-based mask. It's cool. And then this one is Citra Dermaseal. Helps keep your skin soft and moist. Therapy Medical. Interesting. Oh, it's from 23 years old. Which I've seen other people doing theirs. So those are the extra masks that I got because of signing up through a link. And now it's a really pretty box. See if I can even get it open on camera, or if I'm going to have to find something to open it with. There we go. Got it. So then you can open it up. And it says, "Just keep glowing." Just cute. "You are golden." It's a postcard. And then package, happy masking on the bottom. It's cute. Some nice tissue paper. And this one we do have a card. So it is the March 7 Lux. Curated by Facetory. It's the theme is golden. So the card has like benefits, key ingredients, etc. So the first one is a Facetory brand brightening gold foil mask. Be Bright, Be You. And this one, key ingredients are Chinomale Sinus fruit extract. I can't pronounce things. But antioxidant rich ingredient helps strengthen the skin and protect it from UV damage. Lemon fruit packed with vitamin C that protects your skin against acne and works to promote bright glowing skin. Retails for $4 US. That's awesome because I get acne on my jaw especially, though sometimes these kinds of masks don't really cover your jaw. But that's nice. Then we have the Neogen Lab Revital Propolis Ampule Mask. There. Key ingredients: propolis, hydrating ingredient made by bees as a sealant for beehives. Helps to protect and heal skin from breakouts and irritation. So I guess it's not really vegan. Niacinamide, skin barrier repairing ingredients that brightens, hydrates, and firms the skin. Retails for $4.50 US. So I am in Canada, so it would retail for $6 or something like that here. But an ampule, I'm pretty sure the mask itself doesn't have anything in it, so you have to do it somehow. Figure it out. Woo! This is like, it won't pick up on camera, but it's like holographic, you know, like 3D. It's cool. Nahoy Pore Bubble Mask. Citrus, paradisi, grapefruit water. High in antiseptic and antibacterial properties to cleanse and tone the skin. Melaleuca alternifolia leaf extract, also known as tea tree leaf extract. Helps eliminate excess sebum and reduce acne inflammation, which is cool. Wash off bubble sheet mask. And then there's directions here because it is not normal. Retails for $4.50 US, so there's that one again. Cool. And this one is the Bono Baggy Gold Propolis Injection Mask. Got gold, anti-aging ingredient, helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Plump, keep the skin plump and hydrated. Anti-inflammatory. Propolis, skin regenerating, soothing, healing, and smoothing. Pretty cool. Just gonna see if it cuts me out at 10 minutes. seem to cut me out at 10 minutes, so we're good. It's my first time doing this, so I didn't know. This is the Frenvita Perfect Skin Adhesion Firming Gold Glow Mask. Again, it's got gold in it. It's panthenol, also known as vitamin B5. Pulls water deep into the skin and keeps skin well moisturized and soothed. Oh, by the way, that Benno baggy one retails for $5.50 US. And the second one in this one is hydrolyzed collagen. Smaller collagen molecules that help with creating plump, hydrated skin. Retails for $4 US. Now this one is cute. It's the Cosma Tea White Tea Brightening Moisture Mask, and I actually have used white tea before, and I enjoy it. Cellulose fiber mask with camellia synthesis leaf extract. Tea ingredient packed with anti-aging and anti-inflammatory effects, helps protect and heal skin damage from environmental stressors. Lemon fruit ingredient helps brighten dark spots and cleanses away dirt and excess sebum. Retails for $4 US. So it's cute. And then the last one is the Jus d'Amour. I'm Canadian, so I should know how to say that, but no. Retails for $4. It is niacinamide, skin strengthening ingredient, helps fade hyperpigmentation, refine skin texture, and increase moisture levels. Seguinsorba officinalis root extract, botanical extract that soothes and tones skin. So, just to go over in my actual bag for this month, we got the Jus d'Amour Refresh Mask. We got the Cosma Tea White Tea Brightening Moisture Mask. We got the Frenvita 24 Gold Propolis Firming Gold Glow Mask. We got the Benno baggy Gold Propolis Injection. Got the Nohi Pore Bubble Mask. The Revital Propolis Ampule Mask from Cermetic Neogen Lab. And the Facetory Be Bright Be You Gold Foil Mask. So I think I'll try probably most of those. I do take several items that I'm going to be putting in a giveaway a lot of the time. So maybe some of these doubles from my extras will go into it. This one was the Citra Dermaseal Mask. I'm 23 years old. Try that one. Tommy Sen's Revitalizing All-in-One 5-Peptide blah 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 gel mask. It does have rice in it on the back, it says. Because a lot of these expire in May, though, I probably won't put them in a giveaway. And this one, which was Antia. And these Her Story Aqua Sheet Masks, 2 of them. So these expire in May, so I mean, yeah, I probably won't, just because if I do the thing at the end of this month, I might not get to them until May. So, yeah, probably none of these will be in it. There will be sheet masks in it because I already have sheet masks in it, but and then this collagen mask from Facetory, 2 of those. So let's see if they've got any expiries on them. This one's not till 2021. This one's not till 2020. This one's not till 2022. This one, 2021, 2021, 2021, 2021. So I think what it is when they give out the free masks, they're like masks that are going to expire soon, to get rid of stock of ones that are going to expire soon. Whereas these ones aren't. So if I do put any in the giveaway, they will be from here because they have longer expiry. But these all sound really interesting to me, so I think I probably will use them all. Sorry. Unless I look over any of them and they have like seafood in them. Yeah, so anyway, that's that video. I will be back posting some January and February and March boxes. Not really the March boxes, but because I don't have any of them yet, but I will be back posting my January and February stuff over the next couple of weeks because I just started the channel now. But hopefully I'll have everything caught up soon, and then I will be just posting unboxings and then reviews of the items when I get them later, when I've used them for a bit. So yeah, so if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.